Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Loving Life Freely here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on places like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, dabble a little bit on Whatnot, and I am here for another unboxing. I'm super excited to open this one, so if you're curious to see what we're going to do this time, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is Boutique by the Box. I ordered another one from these guys, and I did pay up a little bit for this one. If you guys have been watching my previous videos, y'all know that since the beginning of the year especially, I've been working on adding in some higher end pieces to my closets, storage, whatever you want to call them on each platform. This one was one that I debated about getting, and then after seeing an unboxing, I decided to go for it. And I do believe I did a double order, so there should be 20 pieces in here. Some women's Ted Baker. Again, I did pay up a little bit for these. My goal is to double on each of these pieces. And again, Ted Baker is a really nice brand. If you saw one of my other unboxings, I got a Ted Baker men's blazer and another nice unboxing probably about a week ago. And my concern with getting the men's box was I didn't want more men's blazers. So I did get the women's boxes. And I'm excited to share with you what we got here, and I am excited to get these listed. I am hoping for some great summer pieces, especially maybe dresses, some tops, things like that. So as y'all know, Boutique by the Box always packages nicely. I do pay up a little bit for some of their items. Some of their pieces I don't pay too much. Y'all know we did that Prana box, and that's been great so far. It was a good cog for that. I think considering what they can sell for. A lot of these hopefully will be really nice pieces. Again, we're going to dive in and see what we have here. Okay, so let me see here. They did give me a little card here. That's pretty cool. I do enjoy ordering from Boutique by the Box. Oh, one of the reasons why I was saying that earlier is because most of their stuff is almost always new with tags. And if it's not new with tags, it's new without tags. Excellent new without tags condition, and I love that. Okay, so this one is $60 retail. It's a Ted Baker ribbed tank. So this one I will probably put up for like maybe $35, $40. And then depending on what offers I get, this is a racerback tank. So yeah, I will put this up. Like I said, retail on this is like 60 bucks. So I'll definitely probably put that up for maybe about 40. This one is one of those pieces that I probably won't gain back a full doubling my money, because like I said, I did pay up on some of these pieces on these boxes. And I am kind of doing a test run with it. This one is, oh, this has a security tag on it. That's really nice. Okay, this one is half wool, so I really like that, but it does have a security tag on it. I might have to get one of those security things, unless my husband can figure that out. But this is a really beautiful Ted Baker London. Okay, this retails for $97. This is a size 3. So I will probably definitely put this up for $75 to $80. This is again new with tags. It is half wool. Beautiful sweater. I will definitely want to get that listed sooner than later, since we are approaching springtime here in another, what, month? Okay, what do we have here? This is another nice, looks like sweater. This one, okay, now see, this one retails for $139. So I would probably be listing this for around $100 or more. This is a really nice, it's a size 1. It's called the high neck sweater. Terralyn high neck sweater, size 1. This is a beautiful piece. It's got some great ribbing on it, and it does have, I don't know if you can see the knit pattern, but it actually has like a V-neck knit pattern there. So yeah, beautiful piece. I'm going to put it back in here because it is white. I don't want it to get all... okay, so there's 3. I think there should be 20 pieces in here. Okay. This is a size small, and it doesn't say... Oh, okay, so this one retails for $95. This is Mosher. This would be like a really great piece, spring, summertime, over a tank top. Very flowy. Yeah, really great colorway. Okay, oh, we got some more sweaters in here. I love that. Okay, again, retails for $139. This is the same thing, y'all, but in burgundy. This is the white sweater, but in burgundy. Again, retail for $139, so this will be listed for over $100, more than likely. Okay, what do we have here? Looks like we have a skirt. Okay, this is by the Ted Baker. This is a size, it's UK. Oh, size 8. Okay, so this is a ribbed, oh, these are pants. These are ribbed pants. You know, and this style is so popular right now. These look super comfy. This is a ribbed fabric. All right, so we will get those going. Those would be really great for summertime. Okay, here's another one of those blue tops. Okay. All right, another one of those. I love the fact that I'm getting so many of these. That white ribbed sweater I showed you. This is another one of those. And this one is a size 2. I love the fact we're getting so many sweaters. That's awesome. Because, you know, sweaters do sell year-round too, because not everybody lives in warmer temps. There's a lot of people who are still going to be in colder weather for the next few months. Here's a swimsuit. This is perfect, especially with the summer season coming around the corner. Very, very cool. This is a size, it's Secret Silhouette swimsuit. Let me see if I can find a size here. It's probably on the tag, but I'm having a hard time seeing it because some of it was torn off. So yeah, I'll just look that up. Okay, so we'll keep moving forward. Stuff is falling over here. Okay, all right, this one retails for $99, so I'll probably put this up for $75.80. Ted Baker London, size 1. This is the Rhea print half sleeve top, ox blood. So this is a top. It's like a turtle, almost like a turtleneck, but it's got the mock neck. It's got a nice little print on it. So there's that piece. It's nice that we have some substantial pieces here. I am curious, we will be doing a 90-day update on this box, y'all. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, we do, I haven't been doing 90-day updates because a lot of stuff I was trying to do got mixed up from trying to put them in whatnot auctions. These will not be going in a whatnot auction. And will be doing a lot of 90-day updates on unboxings we've been doing the last couple of months. So do subscribe so you know. We will come back and show you what all did sell in this box. This is a size 4. And this retails for $119. So this will definitely go up for probably roughly around $100. Now my COG on these I think was just shy of $20 a piece. Like I said, I did pay up a little bit. These were Ted Baker. But I wanted to give them a try and see how it went. Because sometimes when you pay up for these nicer brands, it pays off. Especially if you're looking to make just double your money, which I'd be happy to do. So I wanted to give it a try. Okay, this is a swimsuit bottom. Has the Ted Baker on the back. And I'm curious what these retail for. If some of the stuff has been actually taken out. See, I don't even have a number on here. So these are a size... trying to find the size so I can tell y'all. Okay, this is 100% regenerated nylon. So that's a nice little swim bottom. Okay, I'm just going to show you the piece. This is just a beautiful, beautiful swim bottom. 100% recycled nylon. And it's really nice because it's got some nice little detail here. It's tucked. So, yeah, and it does have the liner, so that's really cool. No, it looks like we have some more swim pieces here. I love that. Okay, so let me just show you the piece. This has some netting on it. This is a really cute bikini top that has Is this inside out? No, it's not. It has some scalloped detail here. It's hard to tell. Oh, there you go. See, it's got netting. It's got some scalloped detail here. It does hook in the back, so it's easy to put on, and then it's a halter around your neck. And this one is also probably recycled in Tempy Trust. Okay, so this one is not recycled. This is just regular. Okay, so anyway, another nice bathing suit piece. And everything keeps falling over. Okay, so here we have a one-piece swimsuit. I love the fact we're getting swimsuits. This is awesome. A halter swimsuit. If somebody likes pink, you are set to go. And it's got some mesh detail right here. Wow, this is so super cute. Let me see if we can find a retail. This retails for $129, so probably definitely be listing this around $100. Okay, so there's that piece. And then it looks like we have okay, we have two sets here. Yeah, there's a bottom. There's a bottom. Okay, so we have two of these. Let me show you here. This is the bikini top. And then the bottom, we have two of these. Very cool. And there's the bottom. So it is a set together, which is awesome. And these retail for $69. So, oh, actually, maybe that was just for that piece, because these each have tags. Let me check here if this one also has a retail number to it. Okay, so maybe it's just $69 together. Okay, and then we have the second one here. So I'm not going to worry about going through that one. And then I'm trying to keep this all from falling. We have two pieces left. Okay, so this is a size 1. This retails for $125. This is a really beautiful floral top. Great for springtime, just around the corner. Beautiful colors. This would even be a pretty top to wear on Easter. And then last but not least, we have a pair of pants that retail for $159. Ted Baker size 2. And these are some kind of a vanilla color. Looks super comfortable. Have a drawstring. I'm curious if this is linen or rayon. Let's see here. And it is not telling me what it's made of. I'm curious. I always love it when they have like 5 and 6 tags. Okay, they are viscose and polyester, which surprises me. Okay, anyway, so there's those. Again, these retail for $159, so these will definitely be going for probably over $100 when I list them. These look super comfortable too. These could even be workwear. I know they have a drawstring, but these could be really super comfortable with a beautiful top at work. So, yeah, let me count here. Okay, so the two swimsuit pieces were each, individually. So there are 20 pieces in here. They were each a box of 10. Yeah. I'm going to do some research on those swimsuits. I don't know if that was, that the two-piece was $69 or each piece was $69. Because I know in the stores when you do swimsuit separates for bikinis and stuff, they price per piece. So that might even be per piece. I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. Again, if y'all haven't subscribed, we have our weekly seller chat that we do on Wednesdays. We have unboxings, what's solds, all different kinds of great content, y'all. We're doing some more great things in the weekly chat for the next few weeks, so do check that out. 90-day updates, and when we actually start getting warmer weather, once we start hitting some more garage sales, and I have some updates too on the ThredUp bulk boxes that I got. I have some updates for y'all on how that's going, so I will be putting that out probably in the next week or so. So guys, if this was a blessing to you to see what came in this box, please do give this a thumbs up, bell, and all that good stuff. And guys, we'll see you in the next one.